What's up, guys? It's Farmer Jack here. I'm bringing you back with a brand new video. I know you can't see me, but I want to, because this video is going to be about my farm animals, and I want you to be able to see them. But I don't want to keep you bored while walking over to them, so I'm just going to show you this, show you some plants, stuff like that. And let's start with the turkeys and ducks. So yeah, let's get it. There's a whole mountain. Oh, you know what? This one. The loofah's cool. I'll show you a big loofah. Oh, fun. Big loofah. Look at that thing. Look at that. Look at that. See that big, dark looking thing? Yeah, the dark green thing. That's a loofah, big loofah. Look at them. Look at all those animals. Turkeys. Say hi to the fam. Say hi to the little farmers. Hey, Mr. Duck. You're a good duck. Look at those black ducks. Aren't they cute? Look at that very black one. Look how cute he is. Isn't he cute? Yeah. Give me a quack. Give me a quack. Well, anyway. Let's go over to the rabbits. Because why not? This rabbit. Look at him. Her name is HB. It stands for Hyper Bunny. It's an abbreviation. I don't know if this one has a name. Oh, it's Chloe. Hey, Chloe. This one's name is Lily. Look at her. Look at her. Hi. Say hi. Look at these little babies. Look at them. Look how cute they are. Them. And then there's the mom. Her name is Poppy. Look how cute they are. Look. Look at them. Look at that little baby. Look at you. Look how cute you are. Anyway, let's close this up. Gotta get the latch on there, you know what I mean? So, hold for a second. Sorry about that, just had to latch it. Wanted to get a good view. This rabbit I'm about to show you is my favorite adult rabbit. His name is CP, it stands for Camouflage Pig, because he looks like a camo vest, and he eats like a pig. Doesn't he? Look how friendly he is. Look how friendly this guy is. It's okay. Where's the boy? Well, can't really get a good view when I pet him, so there he is. This one doesn't have a name. This one's name is Duke. He's our oldest rabbit. You can't really see him that well. This guy doesn't have a name. This one's name is Nellie, because she's really sassy. Here's some checks. They're very crazy. There's some more down here. And look, some kids. Hey, Burnt Marshmallow. Hey, Hazelnut. And hey, Black Beauties. But yeah, I think we're going to wrap up today's video. And I hope you enjoyed. And other than that, it's been Farmer Jack, and bye-bye.